Hey cute people, I've been wanting to do this video all day, I've had this curl kit now for at least 10 hours. I got the curl kit, I went out, I came back, intended to do the video when I had some light, didn't work out, but I got something around me, so hopefully I'm not too dark. But the main thing is that you see what's in the curl kit, and also know, I didn't even open the curl kit. But I'm too excited. I can't wait until tomorrow so I get some sunlight. I have got to unbox this curl kit now. See? Just took it out of the sleeve. Haven't even opened it yet, but I'm going to do so right now. So let's see. I don't have an idea of what's in it. I haven't seen anybody else's box, but let's see. It just says curl kit, so I'm going to assume it's not a takeover. And you can see I haven't even broke the seal. Yeah, I'm going to break it now with you guys and find out what's in here. I know a lot of people have been very disappointed with Curl Kit, with some of the boxes, but let's see what we got here. Okay. This is the Curl Life Couture Bride Edition. Okay. And some pretty woman, as usual, is on the cover. And let's see. This is the Curl Life mag, and it shows you what's inside the kit. And always she has some articles here that you may find beneficial. And this girl here, are her locks beautiful? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so this is the Curl Life publication, and in this box here, there are 6 products. Oh, okay. It's a full box. Well, like I said, it's not a takeover. So let's see how you guys feel about this box. Because one box that I did that had the DAX in it, people were not happy about that. And I don't know, but let's see. So this is the Shine and Jam Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Styler. Can you see it? Okay, there it is. Okay, let me get it here. Okay, let's see. It smells good. It's just a jelly. All right. So I'll figure out how and when I want to use this. And like I told you guys, I have so many products. I haven't even used the last box I got. It's sitting over there. I didn't even put it away or anything. Okay, now here is Heavenly Hair Moisturizing Shampoo infused with argan oil and shea butter. So this is what this looks like. Hold away from the light. I've never heard of Heavenly Hair. Have you? It's sealed up, but smells good. Not bad. I think I'm thinking of something minty. And then we have another gel, which this one is the Ampro Pro Style Nuclear Ice Aloe Styler. Non-flaking hydrating styling gel. And this is this one here. To me, it's like, how many gels can they come out with? I mean, are they really one better than the other? I mean, here is what it looks like, and you know what a gel looks like. And then there's another product here, which this is Queen of... I can't see what that says. It's so small. Queen of something. It's a crown growth oil. It's 100% all natural. And most likely it's probably from a small business. Okay, so I guess it's Queen Magic Hair. Okay, and here's what it looks like. I'll try it. Let's see what I can find out. Okay, their key ingredients are the only ingredients. And then this ingredient list, all I can make out is Jamaican black castor oil and... That's all I really can see. I can't see all the other ingredients because the list is kind of small, but that's what it looks like. I don't think you'll be able to see anything yourself, but that's the ingredient list. And then there is, okay, this is the Nubian Heritage African Black Soap Facial Wash and Scrub, Anti-Acne and Clarifying. Now this, I'm definitely excited about. I don't know about you guys. Let me know if you're not, because I know some people see certain things and they are not happy or going to be happy. But I'm looking forward to this because I am trying to find something that I would like to use as a... cleanser for my face. Yeah, so I think I'll look forward to trying this. I may even try this before I do anything else with the hair products. And then they have here the DD, which is a dynamic do all, is from Shine and Jam. It's a shea butter hair and skin cream. And of course you can use it for your hair. So for your hair, it'll be hydrating, anti-breakage, styling, leave-in, cold wash, anti-frizz, curl defining. For your skin, it'll be smoothing, moisturizing, nourishing, soothing, vegan. Yeah, good for your skin and good for natural hair. And that's what this looks like. Let's get that glare out of it. What am I doing, right? Okay, here it is. Okay, all that just to get here, right? But this is what it is. Yes, so this is the August Curl Kit, full of different types of products. I'm not sure what you guys would think, but I will say that the most exciting thing here that I like to try is the Nubian Heritage African Black Soap Facial Wash. And like I mentioned to you guys, I keep saying that I'm going to cancel the subscription, but I keep forgetting, and then they take the money out of my account. And next thing I know, Curlkit shows up on my doorstep. The last couple of times, I didn't receive an email saying your Curlkit has shipped. So someone checked the mailbox and brought it to me, and I was like, oh my goodness, I forgot to cancel. I'm not even going to talk about canceling, because if I was going to do it, I would have did it already, right? But yeah, so like I said, let me see what this is about. Let me see what it smells like. Doesn't really have a smell, really. But you can put it on your hair, on your body. So I'm not sure which way I would use it. Most likely for me, maybe I'll just use it on my body, because I'll probably get a chance to use it up or use it faster than I would anything for hair, because I have so much stuff. But anyway, guys, look, I'm not going to keep you guys too long. I just wanted to make this a short video. Number one, I didn't want this to be the next video, a Curlkit unboxing, but it just happened to be that way. But let me tell you, I have done some damage in Ulta, and yes, I do want to share with you some of the things I've gotten, because again, there may be some things that you're looking for too. So I'm going to share them with you. But I am going to, in this video, but before I do, I always like to share my lipsticks. Sometimes people may be interested in what I have on my lips. I may have worn this before, because it seems like I keep gravitating to the same exact color. And this one is Berry, recognized by Wet n Wild. Yeah, I love their matte formula. This here, it goes on really, really nice. Very, very nice. And the thing I like about it is that it seems like it stays on my lips for damn near forever. But I really, really like this formula. And I love this color. Let me show you what the color looks like, in case you can't really see it. Okay, that's the color. And it is like a berryish plum color. But anyway, I am going to end this video. I'm all over the place because it's about 12 o'clock a.m. and I have some things I need to take care of before I lay myself down to sleep. But I did want to get this video recorded because it was my first unboxing with you guys on the video. But anyway, I want to thank you guys for stopping by and watching this video. Hopefully I'll see you guys in the next. Hopefully you guys can see me and not too dark. You know, you can see around me, but I got lights around me, but so you could tell I got lights, but I guess I don't have them positioned right. I just didn't have time. Well, you know how we busy women are. But anyway, I want you guys to do nothing but share and spread love. Bye, cute people.